Now, welcome back, my people. So, some news, some proof came to us that something is happening in Nigeria right now. Say this our platform. We don't want to give on a fake news, so we need to come up for the studio, go check them, go verify and know say na true information before we come here, come tell una. So the recent happening right now, as we dey talk to una right now, the killings is going on. They are shooting at our people in Lekki, Tollgate, Lagos. Say this one way happen now don't they obvious before, but now it's clear, especially to me personally. This thing don't they clear say we not get government again, we not get president. Our president don't die long ago. Because I remember one time when they say he goes do surgery for one country, when he come back he fingerprint no open door again for Aso Rock. Even a wife Aisha don't come and talk and say he don't know the man where they Aso Rock there, but that one not be his husband. Nigeria will not get the way we take the key all those kind of news, but now truth will not go follow up. He died low. So with all this recent happening, I will be say we don't they shout since. Don't they say where is our president? Come out and speak to her, come out and do this. He not agree come out. It they obvious now say Buhari has been dead and gone. We not get president again for Nigeria because the obvious don't happen. Out of all the states where they protest for Nigeria since then, for the past 1 week now, going up to 2 weeks now, I will give it to Lagos State. Like that protest where they go on for that toll gate for Lagos is the most peaceful protest where they go attack so. You understand? When they go attack this night so, as I speak to now, as we talk now, 34 dead bodies. 34 youths, Nigerian youths, don't go down. They don't kill. They don't shoot to death. As we speak, we never even know how many, some injured. We never even know the ones who are injured now, how many of them will survive. I pray may God may they survive. Then they shoot. How they go open fire? How they go open fire on peaceful protesters? Picture day say this afternoon. Then when the man wey comot go disconnect the cameras for that ground where they protest for toll gate, the man name is unknown to us. We never know the man name, so we'll put the picture then. I'm gonna look, I'm gonna zoom away when we wanna see this man. I'm gonna shoot him for forehead. Now they go disconnect the camera, disconnect the light, street light, everything. They disconnect her everywhere. They dark. There's open fire on Nigerians. Why, my people? Why will you do this?
Now wow, it dey very sad. I no fit even talk sef. I dey very weak to hear people they cry, and soldiers they not be say that they shoot the gun they go up. They open fire for the youths. They shoot them, and they off the lights first. That criminal man we go disconnect the street lights. And we go disconnect that camera where they there. Is it because of the money people are getting from that toll gate? Now the money one they get from the one that not get is then make una go do all those things. Is it that people don't have children? Una not get blood for na vein to kill 34 people? Peaceful protest. 34 people, youth. Just because of say that they demand for wetin they want, wetin Nigerians need. Those people, they are not just there because they don't have job. They are there because of the way the situation is in Nigeria. Because of the situation in Nigeria, everything is so poor. Tinubu, wetin will do you? Wetin be the problem? Wetin we do now? Nigeria government, what have we done? What have the youth done? Many people don't die for Libya road because of suffer. Morocco road, everywhere. Nigerians are all over the world because the country is not okay. Now only we dey here. Now only Nigerians there. Wetin be the problem? Wetin be the problem? Mothers they cry for house. Wetin be the problem? 34 youths. Wetin be una problem? Wetin be the problem? Is it the money? And the money when they get, they wanna not get. Now come be the problem now. Now that one, upon all the money one I don't make for our life, come reach now.
You know what?
Jesus.
Lagos State government, shame on you.
Oh God.
Babajide, so one thing where they call you. Shame on you and your every member of that Lagos State house. Shame on you. As una kill this, because you know if you tell me say you know they have well what happen so. Una planner video day now. The hoodlums what they talk about since then we just find out say they not be hoodlums. There be the same police, the same SARS when Nigerians young people they protest against.
Yes.
Now they use.
Yes.
They remove their uniform. They on mufti go attack the youth. We they see them all shown a video now.
Yes.
Where the ones Nigerian politicians they use car come they carry them.
Pick them.
They pick them from streets. Me will show na wanna watch na wanna see them.
See the security people supporting the talk. See them.
When they go use car and see them people. Una see the way they tell you see them. They go carry all those people.
See talks they go listen to.
No, they do all this.
See talks then with them. See the security people. See them. They don't go back the talk so. They don't go back the talk. See them.
Una see my people now use una two eyes see una see where how the corruption take day. The SARS where we they fight against where they kill up now they say they use as hoodlums against them. Una see where be say that man and a politician where they use the car because they pick them so. I first show una another one and for those of una where they that make una see where politicians they use money they beg protesters.
Yes, they beg them 2 million.
They beg them with 2 million. You see the video.
They beg them.
Make una use una eye testimony like say we dey come here come dey talk. Make we no be like say we come resemble the lazy youth for una eye. More na see.
Police motor. Police motor. This country don't cast. This country don't cast. Police they follow Hassa talk. Police motor. Police motor. This country don't cast. This country don't
see my people. Una see where the old things for starts. Lagos State government no fit tell me say e no dey get hand for this. Before they plan to go remove those lights, those street lights, disconnect those camera, the Lagos State government is aware. You know, tell me say you don't know wetin happen to those lives wey die so. You go reach us now, you go call your own pikin. Your own children now go call you daddy, they go embrace you. Oh, fire go burn you and your household. Spiritual fire go catch for una house, e go burn all of una. All the people wey get hand for this attack, all of una wey carried out this evil attack on the innocent Nigeria, just because they protest, because they want to stay alive, just because they protest, they want to be alive. Stop killing us. That was the title of this protest. Stop SARS. Stop police brutality. Stop killing innocent Nigeria. That was all they ask of. Give them right to good health. Give them right to good education. Give us right to live. Then you started killing us. You started shooting at Nigerians. It will never be well with you and your household. Ogwaba agbue. Ogwava agbue. So you will never live to chop that money when you get for account. You and your household will perish for doing this to innocent Nigerians.
Oh, wow.
For killing us like this. No human, no Nigeria deserve to die this way. As soon as they get hands for this evil act, as soon as they carry out this evil, those soldiers, those police, those hoodlums, whatever you are, spiritual fire will catch fire in your household. Your generation will burn to ashes. All of now will die or timely death. This night, so when I kill those innocent souls, all of now go sleep and not go wake up. So shall it be, except say those protesters don't have rights to protest. If they have the right to protest, this will be your portion, you and your household. I come here, come cause now for the pain when I cause for these people body. Those people that die, they may not be my brothers, but we are one Nigerians. They are my brothers by country, by nature.
Oh, wow. Tinubu, what is your problem? All these politicians, wetin be una problem? Those people wait there for that target. Una fit say they be robots. Una fit say they no sabi carry gun. Una fit say they no go fit protect themselves. But they said peaceful protest. Abeg, any other state wey hear this information today, say they go open fire against people wey dey do protest for toll gate Lekki, abeg, Edo State, Delta State, Abuja, anywhere wey be say dem for dey do protest, all the youths na war na don start. So you shoot me, I shoot you, na we dey so. Abeg, una make sure say una back una sef up. Abia State, Imo State, Port Harcourt, all of una make sure say una back una sef up with anything wey una get. Anything wey una get, because now e too late to enter house. They don kill many people. We never even know whether people pass down one. People wey dey Lekki, dey plenty well. Now if they, as the day they go on, now we go still know more people wey that bullet reach, because na opening fire na they do. We don't see the video, we don't watch the video. My people, abeg, make una no forget. Any one dey watch una back. Anybody wey dey in midst of una, anywhere wey una dey, once una see say the lights don go off, because they go off the lights wey dey there, and those people, their brain no ever think that kind thing.
Yes,
their
to brain, carry out their evil deeds. Why they not come face to face for afternoon?
Their brain no ever carry those
why
things.
They no say they wait make they dark, they can't go off light to attack them for darkness.
And that soldiers wait if people say not be soldiers, so because other cars they enter, e-loss they enter that place, maybe they just come as they off the light. Those SARS wey they remove, those same SARS go fit still carry gun come out to shoot people for the streets. Anywhere where anybody dey this night, wey come across this video, to take empower and to take advise the youth wey dey outside there, wey they never do this kind of thing. So una make sure say as una dey in group, una must dey at alert. Una no dey free o. Una must dey so say something.
Abeg, una go carry gun.
If una papa na native doctor, make una just enter
this. Una go carry gun. Youth,
anything wey you know say una dey do, make una take back una self up. Because those people wey dey there, my brother fit no dey, but na very painful thing. Say people dey protest, they are not criminals. Now the money una dey collect for the toll gate there, na that one na be the thing wey dey pain una. Say since 14 days una never get money for the toll gate there. Now make una go challenge those people with gun. Oh, now they open fire for people, children, graduates, wey dey there. Now fit say people wey dey for that Lekki toll gate, una no look their face. People wey parents don spend money for, people wey parents don't take care of. God will punish una as una take do this meeting.
How can
una generation no go get life.
How una
children, even if say they dey abroad, America, anywhere where they dey, automatic death na go dey kill them. So na dey kill children for Nigeria. All of una. As una make mothers cry, as una make fathers cry, God go dey punish una this night for those people who na kill, those innocent souls who na kill. They stand though. They did their own, no. They no carry gun. They no. What's this? If una no say Buhari no dey alive again, una no fit come and tell them say Buhari no dey again. Say no go fit approach them. Anybody wey dey the seat no go fit approach the youth. How many minutes it go take you to take approach the youth? How many seconds?
How can them be this wicked? How una go dey wicked? They shoot at people. Even animals now go they thank God say they be animals, they not be humans. Even animals now go look una go say, thank God say I be monkey, thank God say I be tiger, thank God say I be animal, not be human. Una don't even wicked past animal. How could you carry the gun and face your fellow human and shoot? For doing what? Why are these people dead? Because they are the only crime they committed. The only crime those our brothers, those our sisters who lost their life this evening. The only crime where they commit now because they be Nigerians. That's the only crime. You not get anything where they do. Una go just release go. Even this protest where they protest, so now for see una favor. They don't brainwash una now. Don't una say they will increase una salary underground. Una don't come out now. Come they shoot.
My God.
Soldier, abi police will shoot this night. How you take go as go sleep this night? How you take close your eyes, say me you sleep?
Their children dey inside house. Una lock una children inside house.
Except say you not close eyes sleep. If you close eyes sleep, you will not. I will never.
Boko Haram suppose enter Nigeria. Not beside that bush where they make Boko Haram make they enter the Nigeria. May I see the soldier? If police go there,
what una no fit do for Zambisa forest? How una take go? How una get mind? See plan no, my people. Una listen. They planned it. They planned it. They say they put that coffee. You know work. because the reason they started it, when I tell no say na them be the same people when go do that prison whatever.
Yes.
Now them be the same people when start am.
Yes.
When I think and I see the way they take they come.
Yes.
When I see their strategy.
Yes.
When I see the way they take strategize, they look say the people not give up even when they put the coffee.
Yes, the coffee.
They not give up. We didn't believe them because we know they lied. We understand them. They are our people. We know them. We know they lied. They still say that one not work. They can't still go off. Okay, where are in since morning one those people did they want to not go there, go attack them. They come say they don't they dark now. They can't go off the street light, off the camera. Can't begin open fire on.
So that they no fit see those soldiers' face.
How could they? How can
no be person bring
how
the
can
plan?
human being be this wicked?
Somebody now person bring this plan. Now person just said they say see how na take do am because Nigeria go like see they go want make sure say anybody wey open that gun shot on people they want make sure say the person go in for it so that they no go kill any soldier so that no soldier go prison. They go off the street lights. They off the street lights so that they will not recognize them.
They just did their worst.
So they will not recognize them.
Let me tell you guys, Nigerians in diaspora, if you now know where any politician they hide, those of the way know the Nigeria, wanna bring their comats now, more treat them, more swallow these people. See, my youth, my fellow Nigeria, the people that died tonight, they might not be born of the same parents with you. They might not be your blood sisters. They might not be your biological brothers. They might not be your siblings, but they are your brothers and sisters because why? They are Nigerians. They died for you to live. They shed their blood for the country, for you. They have done their part. They have gone. They are not coming back to stand for Nigeria again. But you that are alive, wherever you are tonight, I don't want to shed tears for life. I don't want to care, but anywhere you there, I urge you, whichever thing you can defend yourself with. Anything where you feel to defend yourself. And if you know any soldier, any police, it's not.
The only thing why I see for this
issue, where they day. If you know where they day this night,
anything.
Make sure so you find the Richards and kill them. Make sure you carry gun shoot those
anything.
people.
See, you need to hold yourself. You know, sometimes. See, it is very painful and very shameful to see say people who supposed to protect us, that they keep people. You understand? I know how she feel because where would they? That they do protest. And we know they ever see this kind of thing. You understand? People go even they do many things self. But the police go they look them. They know they shoot them. But anybody when we get mind, shoot people, children. And all of una where they Europe, all of una where they America, let this protest continue. Anywhere one a day, this sickness where would they talk? Where they talk say it did? There is no sickness anywhere. There is no sickness. They are just making people to be afraid. Talking about the sickness. You understand? There is no sickness. So anyone on the talk say sickness, they because of this one, because of that one, you cannot protest. Anywhere you have to come outside and protest. Either you are in Spain, you are in Holland, you are in Germany, you are in France, you are in Italy, in anywhere, you have to protest. We all are Nigerians, either good or bad. Whatever that is happening this night is very touchful. It's a painful thing. Those people that they just killed, if they were my brothers, how will I feel? If they were my brothers and they were from the same blood, how would my mom, my dad, my parents, my entire family, how would they feel? You have to understand one thing and get it into your head. Those people that just died there, they are not animals. They died for us. Okay? The situation at hand is see, there is problem, don't they? So the place where they never reach, they don't start the plan for Lagos. Abeg, before you go reach any other place, before the thing go another city, another state, you people should back yourself up. If una know so una no wan enter house, back yourself up. Those people wey dey kill there too many.
See, my people, if you are afraid to die, the dead go still come meet you anywhere.
There too many.
Even inside your house now you dey, the dead go still come meet you. This die, now all of us die. And this time around, we are ready to die, they die together. Not if say we just dey start to do the talk. I pray may I see any politician picking may I just see am. See, these people that died, that gave their life for you and I, for the country, for Nigeria. Nigerian flag has been soaked with blood. It's all over there, all over the internet. Our flag, green, white, green, has been stained with blood, with innocent Nigeria blood. Don't give up. Don't give in. We win only. Now hear me so. Nobody should give up. All I want you guys to do is to back yourself. If you get any, you just pay me say I just didn't come up for us. Glory to God. It's not up to a month when I come up for Nigeria. He pay me. Make una carry gun. I trust my dope people. No. I know they would shake for that one. They want me bloody. We go paint the city, the town with red. You understand? I trust my people. I know we can do. I'm not like trying to cause war or cause anything for a door. But if it's set, my people, no know how they be now. May red, I beg. May red. See, if they think they can attack us in our protest ground, more take them to another level. More could go to their house, go there attack them. Una understand? So, might give una something. Una see that motor where they spray water. I know say if una want something, I go get am. Make I hear they talk my own. Now waiting what happen, make it happen. Who want find my handle? Now me be Isoken for love. For IG, look for me. For Facebook, Isoken Ogbes. Look for me, write me. I'm no longer afraid. You know, this night, for what happened so, my fear just turned to faith automatically. I dey try build down since then, but it don't catapult by itself. Enter faith. Una see the way they spray water, guys. I dey tell una because I know say no politician now will get and watch this video before first una watch am. Let me give una the link so. Una go carry find that motor where they put down those fire. Una go tip the motor. Una make sure so na fill now with acid. The way they spray water. Una you go target to soldier barrack. Una spray them with acid. Now hear me so. Una target them because Nigeria soldier, Nigeria police, they are the most useless, they are the most stupid, they are the most foolish and people wicked in this world. To say they are wicked is an understatement. They are evil themselves. For them to get mind to shoot, maybe they don't tell the underground say they'll increase their salary to 100,000. Maybe they carry that this act where they carry so. Mona not wait for them. For know where policemen they with the children, with the family. Mona attack them. Yes, because if they value that they are picking, they will not keep person home. Yes. They will not shoot person picking if they value their own. If now know where they day, those government house, those government, I'm gonna falling, gonna attack them there. And for all those on a bouncer, all those they are waiting that they call their SS where they follow them. This is the time for now your people to strike. This is the time for now to attack those who go. If you know where that senator there where you the guide, where is sit down for a palace, so go release bullet, give her. Go shoot and make die. Before you shoot, make sure so you collect a sign check for you so that you go feel by yourself. Resign that check, take withdraw money with their accounts. I'm telling you, go and do it. It's your right. Those people are criminals. They are thieves. See, let me tell you guys something. The reason why those Nigerian leaders will not change. The reason why they already die, they already fight Nigerians, share our blood just to remain in that their position. I will tell you guys tonight. A man does not steal because he's a thief. A man does not stolen. That is, man use break and for now. Man, all those men so they know they thief our money because they want thief. They thief our money because now their nature to thief. They be thief. Of course, that is who they are. They will never change.
Yes, that's true. You know, get as they get rich.
Yes.
They go still steal.
They thief join now. Now they don't get billions upon trillions. Now they don't buy house all over the world. Now they don't get the best car. Yes, they are not satisfied because it is in their nature.
They do rituals join now.
Now their nature to thief.
They are still stealing.
Tomorrow, give Lagos State government a governor. You might be made to do money, go still use them
because of the toll gate. Oh.
Because of money where they collect for toll gate now
for the
past weeks now, weeks now, a week money. Plus now we say they never collect money for them. Body they pepper them.
You want die.
Body they pepper them. See this one why you talk so.
All of una we get hand wanna take you those children.
Oshomole, you.
That man get pikin.
You are the most useless somebody I have ever. That is you will come. Those state people receive you. We honor you. We celebrated you.
Leave on.
Most some of our children hit the studio, they sing with your name, they praise you. Edo we no ma go adun wodo, odun wo talk kan.
Na so.
Person dey pray for this life. Wetin you use your hand build, may no use your hand scatter am. You use your hand scatter am.
Because
People wey enter studio say
things.
Oshomole, yeah, we mark here, we boy. They see enter studio say Oshomole is a go to you. That should be you go and hide. If I were you go and kill yourself. Go and hang yourself.
the reason why
You should go and hide your
the
face.
reason why
I know your position in that Nigeria. I know the position where you take. You are Buhari. I know what to plan
the
for that
reason
Nigeria.
the reason why they went to attack those people, why they are attacking all these Lagos youths, the Tinubu one begin feel say they want to act like those state youths. Because
Apart from wait.
because
Apart from that,
there
let me
must be reason.
Wait, let
If
me
not-
just land this position.
No.
Apart from that, the reason why I even call Shomole name. See, if you get the one way they try, I'm gonna attack for Benin. Don't try am. Ebony, you know the story now. You know Benin history. Go and check. When he first set for city and city there, Calabar and Benin, a woman I defeat the war. See, let me tell you something. Those people, they still there. If you want, try am. Plan with them for Abuja, the where place for they do the meeting,
Underground
make
meeting.
ground open, swallow all of una for there. Mona, just carry out their out. And we not go even wait me you carry out because tomorrow, this night, so as he said, so we are swinging into actions. You go hear the story tomorrow. All the houses you get for Benin, that your place where you for Kauchi, when you go do build fine house, where we go help you scatter all of them. We will help you destroy all of that to run our money you take build them. That's what they borrow money for project for education. We're not go do now go chop the money. We not go borrow money for good road to repair our road. We not go do now go chop the money. We not go borrow money for hospital, good health care. We not go chop the money. Waiting.
That's
We not the belleful. Wa lori are never bola wa egbe no go back gbelu wa yakwa.
wetin I no understand as in what
They didn't just do you tell you wa home. Me for your open for na head.
wetin be the offence of the youth? Those people wey dey lucky wey dey go dey open fire for wetin be their offence? Wetin dey do wetin dey even do una? Wetin dey do?
Those protests, I know that way said they were even party. They cook, they eat, they jolly,
Oh,
DJ
gosh.
they play. They were just dancing with peace. Just for you to come out and grant their request, you turn and start killing them.
All of una wey gather do
It
this
will
meeting
end like this, eh?
No.
It will end like this.
This meeting wey una do together.
It will not end like this.
No.
It no will end like
34
this.
people now na key.
Una no know wetin una pon
Hey,
so. I
God.
think I say one of those na sari, those na soldiers wey dey blow follow una go dey roll for road. Una go dey blow sari like dead body.
No.
Una go dey run follow una. Any attack can come from anywhere.
No.
Attack can come from anywhere. What is it? What do they do? Nigerians does not deserve to die like this. No, now.
It's a pity.
They do not deserve to die like this. What? How could you?
We don't even know people wey dey kill.
Which kind of oppression be this? Why are you oppressing the people?
We don't even see say people dey bring
People
their
that
car.
laid out their voice, just voice.
Wow.
There's no freedom of speech in Nigeria. There's no freedom of dressing. No freedom of each. If the people too sexy na war, if they're too handsome na die. If young people doing well for themselves, doing their business, if you're not gonna let them even come out say they get this one. Young people they do legitimate business. When you get houses, when you get all of them, they do it in people's name.
Pity.
Just because they don't want to come out. If they come, EFCC will come. Not be person EFCC chairman wey chop money wey EFCC wey they recover for all those things wey they do. No more na say make go jail. Instead of to go jail, say na mosque you want go jail, na kill am.
You know
somebody.
You know say as they shoot people for that Lekki.
When he come and say enough is enough.
As they shoot
kill
people
them.
for that Lekki, before you know, now you see say people don't they bring their car to see because they don't say they off lights to see if they'll fit quick help people go hospital or how they remove bullet from some people body.
Guys, let's not feel like we are just talking. Let's show you the video of how they were shooting at people. How they were, in fact, may they never go block this because
They don't already they block am. They don't already they block am because they don't expect say people go fit the
way
people
they think
video
they block,
to
when you see
put am
people
for line. They don't know say people go fit. They fit say people.
Yeah.
They're confused.
YouTube no will like all those kind of videos.
No, do you know what wetin happen? You know wetin happen?
You see the way
those people wey send them,
ground.
those people wey send them, when they go open fire, when they don see say people dey online, they dey live, they say help. Now they call them, make they stop the shoot. Before they call them, they don't kill 30-something people.
Don't be related. So many,
No, bullet see me some people. We be say that they are alive, but yeah, but they don't know say they go fit get that mind to take use their phone. You understand? Now waiting if they say they know say they go still use their phone. Upon not say they go cut the street light, they off the street light, they off the street camera. They for not doing like that.
Lagos State governor.
No.
Lagos State governor, you will come and say sort of okay, now God will punish you.
You know say
it should never be well with you, sir.
Soldier cannot just enter the street and start shooting.
You have hand in this.
If Tinubu and that governor
you.
state governor Lagos State governor if they no dey aware.
Baba Jewanti Baba show.
Baba Ijebu I no know wetin be. I no care about him name. Wetin concern him name. After all I'm not from there, so I no him name no na nonsense name to me, because if they no fit enter streets go dey shoot like that when they know say if they no dey aware.
The order comes from Abuja and you give a hand to it.
Obaseki no grant am o. You no grant am o.
How wicked can they be? Peaceful protests, peaceful people that are harmless, people that was not even holding anything. Una not even get value for the country again.
Pay me, sha.
People wey hold Nigeria flag una shoot them. Look at Nigeria flag stained with blood. Even the whole country where they don't fight war, Libya, Ukraine, all those what was it called, Russia, where they don't fight, they never even use blood to stain their flag. Look at how Nigeria flag has been stained with blood.
Now history, they don't put on there.
How can you people be this wicked and heartless? How can you people be this wicked and heartless?
No, I didn't believe
how now they waste life like this? How now they kill innocent people like this?
I say they say from tomorrow they go take more actions. Before they break, they don't get patient. They don't already they keep people from this night.
Nigeria not get good hospital care. Nigeria is one of the country whereby people women die during childbearing for the world. Nigeria get the highest number.
All these people
get the highest number of people where women die through childbearing. No good.
Most of all these our politicians, they are children, now citizens. For other countries.
If they get wife get belle, they'll go America go born. If their wife get belle, they'll go UK go born.
Even their children,
they fly their own wife out to go born from that country because they know Nigeria does not have the facility.
Some president, so
they
all
don't want
those
to
politicians
take the
dey
risk.
like all those wey dey Lagos, all those Tinubu, all those people wey be say their life don cut short, na to use and squeeze them like this. They don't need gunshot. You do
they don't want to
like
expose their family to that Nigeria, to that lack of care. Many people they die for wetin no suppose cause death. People will get accident for road, rush dem go hospital, doctor you say bed don full, bed no dey for accident victim.
Nurse dey
there, they go waste their
doctor no dey, who wan treat them?
Those people are not supposed to die because of that lack. They will die.
Abeg, I just
some people,
my blood just.
Students go they go school because of bad road. Accident go kill innocent people.
No.
Because of lack of bad road in Nigeria.
I'm not happy at all. No.
Our children, they know the way God. Nigeria is the most blessed country in the world. We are blessed with everything. Name it. Is it good? Is it oil?
Oh God.
Is it creativity? Our people have creativity.
I feel bad.
We are blessed. We are the most blessed people in the world. We have the best land. Plant something for our land, it will grow well. What else do we want? Because of some group of people. Just see the group of people of Nigerians. Those people they rule Nigeria. They in one picture. Just look at them.
And some people, for
look
them
at
to
the
talk,
evil doers,
because
the
they
evil
collect
leaders.
money, because they eat from politicians, they cannot speak.
They are not evil leaders. They are dealers. The evil
they
dealers.
Cannot even say anything because politicians feed them, give them daily food. No fit talk. No, they on their own rights. No fit talk. Everybody want to become politicians in Nigeria. Even the one wey no go school, they want to do
because nobody they afford. That's the only surviving way.
They don't all of them they chook head put. Even for people wey want fight, people wey will feel say they even suppose fight for us. But as I say they don't they chop money, fear not let them talk.
Apart from not be their fault, because for people to be able to do anything in Nigeria, you have to be known. You have to have a platform. Even me, I have a business that I really want to go into, but because they never know me, so I need to come out and do something. that I will create a platform for myself. I will be recognized. I will be known, so that whatever it is I want to do with the people can relate to me. That's how it is in Nigeria. You have to make name. If you not get name, you be nobody.
Nigeria, the kid.
If you not get name, if you not get person where you call, if you not get connection, you are gone. Your chapter, you are done and dusted. You have to get name. You have to make name. You have to know people, connection, before you can be able to achieve one or two in Nigeria.
All the youth where they outside.
We are tired. Nigerians are tired. They just step up now to tell you that they are tired. We want a country, a peaceful nation. We want a nation where a daughter of and sons of nobody can become somebody.
Poor man cannot marry a rich man's daughter in Nigeria. Who won't marry you when your partner? They don't know your father. They don't know your father. Who won't marry you? They marry themselves. Criminal ways. I give you my pikin, you loot money for me. That's what they say they marry. They know they love themselves. After how many days you hear say the marriage no dey exist again. Una dey kill children wey sit down there and wey dey tell una say see wetin we want, because their father no be politician, but they are protesting to have it. They are even begging to have it. Wetin una children no dey cry for? The best car, the best house, everything wey una children need, they get am. But the ones who not get to give him pikin, it's a very painful thing. And in fact, I no expect. I know say people dey street. I know say people dey cry, you know, but not be waiting. I expect. Surprised. I'm surprised though.
Because Nigerians, the way our evil leaders are, they can do and undo.
I'm surprised.
They can do and undo.
This is not what I expect.
They can do and undo. They are evil people. Expect anything from una leader. As you see there, so they with devil, they flesh together. They eat with the devil. When they'll say if you want to eat with the devil, carry long spoon. Our Nigerian, they not able to go spoon. Nigerian leader, now their hand they eat with the devil. How can you open fire as they talk now? They are stupid, useless children. Where devil will kill for their eye. All of the day one place now. They watch the news now. They see what their part they do. Lagos State governor, for this thing what you do to Lagos youth tonight, it will never be well with you, sir. You, Baba, whatever they call you, you will never be a father.
It already died.
Your last song will be your only song. Before you die, every people, all of now will get her for this thing. Before you not die. Una go use wetin come out for una prick take pay for this decision una take so against Nigeria youth.
As you talk and so it go be.
That thing una dick produce. That thing una dick produce. Una go use and pay for this decision una take so for the because na paper with the break off una so na sign am. As all of una take this decision. Wow. IG Nigeria IG all of una it will never be well with you all.
For not to address people, make them enter house.
For not to
bring their minds down.
Reach out to those innocent Nigerians.
Una they kill them. All those ones, not saying they shoot like the one not go meet Boko Haram for that forest where they did. One on these streets. Now people will not get even they don't get anything to take now.
I want the world to know. The world should be aware. Why are the people not talking?
That Boko Haram.
Why the world? America, where are you? Why are you people not saying anything about this thing that is happening in Nigeria? See, let me tell you guys, if Nigeria go wrong,
America no say
all the world, let me listen to this. All the world, if Nigeria go wrong, if Nigeria go red, all of una will hear and for body una know because we are the heart of this world. Forget America saying that be the power. Nigeria now we get the market.
I beg. Nigeria
now we get the market. Now we
America no say. They already know say problem dey right from time before Donald Trump talk say dead president.
They don't want to speak about it. They don't want to talk. Most of this country don't want to talk because they are the one energizing our leaders.
So they know what
they are the one backing them up. They are the one making them to do what they are doing.
Now only CNN they come out. They say what is happening there? What is happening in Nigeria? That is not what we want. They should interfere. They should speak.
It never reach when they go. I don't say fine.
No, they kill youth. Okay. They should interfere. They should say something.
Okay,
they should say, see, they are killing people. What do they want? People need to interfere. People need to speak.
All right.
That Donald Trump, where they you know they talk.
No, now that Donald Trump.
Wait. Is it that wait? Oh, the thing is that this thing they pay me. No. All my body they wait. Is it that now anything in Nigeria they do? Is it that nobody outside the country cannot speak?
Yeah, America might not be able to speak about it right now because of the election thing that is going on in America. I understand that.
Let me say people go still die.
No, but you people, I'm pleading.
No.
Wait. Let me finish. Wait.
within within.
Yeah, they should
Even if say
still find
other
out
people
time.
within we the Nigerians, all these governors, all of them, is it that what happened this night they are happy over it? They happy
They be
waiting.
full now. Answer people.
They
full
happy.
now. They be full. All the governor in those states, all of them na be full.
No be only
Sorry, all the governor in Nigeria, general. Sometimes I'm person I come for them and not vex. I'm not talking about Nigeria alone. All the governors, all the House of Assembly, all the senator in all over Nigeria, that is in Nigeria. Shame on you people. Who? Yeah, awala lo wow. If I bought time, I bought we can la wagbe.
No.
Shame on una. Shame on you guys. Shame.
No.
Una they look answer. Buhari and his cohorts, they use answer, they kill una. They kill una people. They kill Christians. They kill our youth. Now they happy.
God.
They see, time they
God, come and intervene.
They go turn una to a wansa.
Come and intervene. Something is wrong.
See, let me tell you. We just hold on. Let me tell you something. All those our government. Let me tell you something. If Buhari now, late Buhari, because someone is representing him, Buhari has been dead. We know. If the late Buhari representative or representation, the person that represent Buhari, if he na him, they give this order so, and una join sign they carry out this order. Might give una one secret. Una say una no know because if obviously some of una because of the thief una don't thief money, because of the overfeed the una don't eat free out for food money una they eat, the free life una they live. Una they take they live life to the fullness. Una some of una don't carry una sense. Put am for ground marshal or some of una don't sit on top of una sense. Una big belly where they every una don't let una take get up. Let una take get up. Take carry una sense put for where it's supposed dey. Might tell una something. If they don't succeed kill una people finish una boys finish. You see small children for outside, they go drive una come for post, they go take over.
Of course.
They go take over. Senator name they go pull your shirt. Governor,
of course.
Governor name they go pull your shirt. They go begin rule now. Come be the people now. Come be the goats. The house how they will rule. Una want bet. Say this thing not happen. If una keep quiet past this one,
it go happen.
If una keep quiet past this one,
not be there for the fight. All those Senate office where for the fight. Wetin they made the fight?
It go happen.
I beg.
And this blood una dey share so they go dey cry for una dream. If una close and I go dey see Nigeria youth una kill. Una go dey see Tina. Una go dey see Conley.
Money where they come out for toll gates there where they carry every day for Lagos there.
All the innocent Nigerians una don kill.
Money not enter their pocket.
Una go dey see all the innocent Nigerians una don kill. Una go dey hear their voice. If una close una go dey see them. If una open una go dey see blood. If una dey sleep una go dey see them. If una dey eat they go stand the floor una dey eat. So shall it be in the mighty name of Jesus. Except there is no God in heaven. Except say na una when na fit say una dey power so na una create that Nigeria. If you people are not the founder, not the creator of the country, no gonna create the souls wanna take by force so. No gonna create the innocent Nigerians wanna squeeze light out of them by force the soul. And I'll go free. If una like all these stupid, silly, criminal, armed robber, ashawo, dirty governors and politicians who they that is the state of Nigeria, wanna not talk, wanna join them, wanna sign. Mona fool herself as a Tinubu and we should call the governor of Lagos State now. Mona join them, sign the paper, make them take attack on our people.
The only thing where be say he did this matter.
But all the police before na keep 50.
As things can't be like this now. Make Tinubu from tomorrow make go they stay for the toll gate. Make you go they collect the ticket money and so you don't keep people where they stay for the toll gate there. They be now the money they see for them, then make you they keep people where they for toll gate.
Yeah, make they put soldiers there.
They don't need soldiers. Tomorrow make Tinubu by himself go stay there. As if he said the money where they your pocket, he never reach you. Only 2 weeks money never enter your pocket. Now you go sign. You agree. Sign. Make they go shoot people. Make they go open fire for people.
They get bulletproof car where they cruise the past time. Una forget say bulletproof car. If though they shoot and
the day where death go come like this.
It is somersault.
Like this.
It is somersault.
Death when they promise the day where they come. If he come, he go take you like this. I think all those juju, all these governors who you see, they do juju pass, they hold their self.
That juju go fail.
No, you don't say they fail.
Somebody eats 100 million naira.
Now they carry people for streets. Say they do
100 million
naira.
Money where they say they take treat COVID-19. That person, that man or that senator should be arrested by now. he should be jailed. But no, na innocent Nigeria. Person like that no need to hang. He deserve to die because how you go chop money wey dey take off disease wey dey town.
Because they no say the disease
sickness dey town. Una say make dem cure am. Somebody chop the money, put fire for office.
Abeg.
Una no fit do anything.
The country wey
dey
say
fire gun on innocent Nigeria.
The country wey dey say sickness dey since 14 days now, today make it 14 days wey they don dey riot. Now who the sickness fall down for streets? How many people the sickness fall down for streets?
No, they'll come and give us
number.
They
come and they say COVID.
They'll come, they show us
number. Una dey cheat una sef.
Yeah, Edo State 20 new cases.
Una dey cheat una sef.
Port Harcourt 15 new cases. Lagos State 200 new cases. Abuja new cases. Cases. They give
Which
us.
Case?
They give us number.
Which
they tell
case?
They show us 1, 2, 3.
Tomorrow, Tinubu go stay for toll gate. Just go sit down there. They cut ticket yourself. Go there. Go cut ticket. As you no fit maneuver you.
Kill innocent protester.
There.
Kill innocent Nigeria.
Make sure
off light. Kill innocent Nigeria. Shame on you.
Make sure say you go.
Wawe.
Make sure say you go dey cut ticket there yourself. Stand for there. For the one wey you don take lose the money since then, make sure say na you dey cut the ticket.
Ojibole. Ole. No na be.
Ole.
Assassina.
Not the criminals.
Assassina.
As una don kill people
Nigeria
so,
president.
una no go ever get peace.
Nigeria governor. Assassina. Nigeria president. Assassina. Nigeria senator. Assassino.
All of una. As una don kill
We
so,
go clap for
una
now.
no go get peace.
Una know the meaning of assassina na? They are killers.
No, una.
Murderers.
They carry boys. No, they trade them. If una need human being na one hand, or go teach people where they go school.
Please don't blow.
Every baba thing. Now na hand like day. God go dey punish all of una one by one.
Amen.
I wan go relax. I'm annoyed.
The thing dey pain me.
The thing dey vex me. All my blood dey hot.
me. For wetin they do so.
Una dey kill people
When
children. When parents don train pikin, they don train pikin finish. Now people wanna kill for them. Na how many years they dey? Now that they say person die.
So, my dear viewers.
Na painful thing anyway.
My dear viewers. I want to say, if wetin we display na not wetin una expect, una forgive us because na wetin dey
pain.
The thing dey into, it dey very, very painful.
It dey very painful.
It dey very painful for the life we don lose. Imagine their parents this night now they no see sleep. Imagine those family now they no see sleep today. From today now no sleep. For that woman we carry a pikin for belle 9 months breastfeed am, they can't use gun kill her like this for your country for doing what? Nothing. You understand? So it dey very painful. It dey very painful. Nigerian government, we don't plead with una, but we not green, but now we are not pleading anymore. We are not pleading anymore. Please, they are shooting. We're not a beg. They are. We are not
begging.
They
make they give you free food. I mean, they give you free. Like you don't give you for free.
People are shooting at us.
Beg. If you want to, not say I beg.
Killing us.
Everywhere don't spoil.
We're doing shit.
Everywhere don't spoil. Abi, and so now one time now. We know they there, but people they were there.
So my youth, this is time for you to defend yourself.
Encourage
to help with peaceful protesters now. To help with peace. They have shown us they don't want peace. We are going to give them
and they will never have peace.
Any answer man, any fool and anyone notice say iwaka kurukere muna gonada.
Even if no be answer na look am, even if na Yoruba na be anywhere na they look away.
Anyhow. Any policeman wanna know, wanna
anyhow it be.
Wanna except the innocent one wey come out. Jonah. If you know we not Jonah, back to back muna give them. Muna secure na safe. Muna wage una say I don't need to tell una wetin una do because I know say my people una no go fuck up. I beg anywhere una dey, anything una fit take destroy. Oga na wa ko ababiamu no, wa ababiamu yan popa. Wa ababi wa aduyamu. They on underground. Since na darkness now they do their own now for night. They go off like now attack those innocent people. Muna know so now they carry anything by time they fight them. If they want peace, we'll give them peace. If they want war, now they have declared war against us. Muna no sleep. Lagos youth, wake up. Defend yourself.
Of course.
Defend yourself.
Course.
Don't
Lagos
give
youth,
up. Don't give in.
Yourself. Anything one know so na one carry, mona carry.
Because they do this one.
If una ready, anything one get, mona carry, mona take the defend.
They do this one now to put fear for our
they do it to take drive na come for there. They do am for enter house. Make una no enter house o. Na the thing start. Because that thing wey they do, na God save una. If my brother dey there, truth, anyway where any soldier dey, e go only take time, you go die for wetin you do. You go see, if I no fit face you physical, I go face you spiritual. I go make sure say I kill you for killing my brother. You will die. You will die. Oh. See, I speak. You see when woman blood dey hot. If I know any soldier say my own blood brother, as I talk, I no go face you physical. I go face you spiritual. I swear. I go make sure say you. Now Boko Haram go kill you. They go see your dead body. They go dey show us say na people wey dey kill. Na be this. You, they will say some of the soldiers wey kill people for Lekki. Na be this. Wetin una do? The thing wey una do to our own people, our own youth wey dey street, na carry gun dey kill people anyhow like say they be suya. The time wey una no see when all this, oh God, my brain dey see.
Calm down, my dear.
No, wait. Now if to say I be see the Tinubu as I talk am na so I like this.
So people dey every the thing
they go dey hide themselves like this.
They hide, they go.
All those wey don, all those 70s. Why be say
that one even dey why they vex.
Wait. Why Nigerians youth? Why are you people voting for old man to go and rule as a president?
Now then, why? Fuck up.
Why is it you people make the same mistake every time?
Now
I'm a man of 60 years. Una think a man of 60 years. Wetin get to tell? Do you think a man of 60 years can reason like a 20 years old youth? What do you? Una know the reason? Una no know say when person don pass 60 years, he cannot think. I'm not insulting anybody, but he cannot think like a youth.
Now he dead bed don dey near am.
He go dey reason like in age, in own age.
We know now. Say we not get president.
See revolution. Oshowore come out. People say, una open eye.
Now then now we for even fuck up pass.
Una go vote
we for even join Oshowore that time. I wish that Oshowore time we take join this protest. If for even good.
Night just dey so now.
Me, I don sign now. If they want share the country, make they share am.
Make they share am.
Make everybody they do.
Make everybody they do
and export. Exchange by barter.
If na the gold, na Buhari and the people get, make they use am.
Make they use am.
We get farming land. We sabi do yam. We dey get many things. Egusi.
Yes, so
plenty.
Since now outside and they say they get tomatoes.
Make they carry.
Make if they give us the tomatoes, we give them. We give them
wetin we get.
Every country, every city go dey do exchange by barter.
Yes, na.
What they do? Make
finish
o.
If na fish na Lagos get for that sea wey they get, only fish wey they get dey bring come out.
Yes, the state wey get oil give us oil, we give you this. You will get this one, give us that. It's better.
See,
it's better, my dear, because this one is too much.
If I were you, I will not be afraid of politician children. I swear to God. If I be you, politician children no go be my friend.
Politician,
soldier, police, their children will not be my friend. I am saying
they need to feel the pain when Nigeria parents feel they lost their children this night. In one way or the other, if you knew any of their pikin, my brother, even though na your best friend, do one the thing. Do one the thing because they need to feel the pain wey they feel. Children wey they kiss so na mama born them. Children wey they kiss so na papa born them. They be human being. Put yourself in their shoes.
All the SARS wey they say they remove now they vex.
Now they shoot now they use against us.
Now all those SARS wey they say they want to swap.
We show na video now. And where they take sweater there.
All the people wey they comot for SARS they vex. SARS no dey get money again. They know they see boys money. They know they see boys money. They see boy cars. They know they see boys money they carry again. They know they see boys money they take for their account again.
No, they cry say Nigeria boys they do another people yahoo. Then will be the leaders when they do Nigeria's yahoo call. They have been yahoo in Nigeria since how many years?
They pay you.
Since ages, since 60 years.
You know they
know the yahoo
lock you for no reason.
If not be yahoo politician, our politician go receive 29 million naira.
Police 37 million something that they
police
collect.
No, na grade by grade. No, the rank. Why police go they receive 50,000 a month
they go
for a month. Work where police they do. The one they even they pay me now that hardship allowance that they receive. What it be hardship? What it be hardship? How you want it? Person way? No, I don't want travel allowance, wardrobe allowance, newspaper allowance. Hardship alone, what it be hardship?
Now my father age I dey consider. If not, he will go join politicians so that he go work for because if they pay me. No, what is your work?
No, the truth be told though. The truth be told, I forgive my papa. Oh. You know why I forgive him?
What if because the work?
My dad died at the age of 40 something. He died at young. I was 2.
What if the work?
I lost my papa. If not, say now. my papa for tell me where they wait to Lubu. Huh? If you tell me what they do.
Now I know say, now Tinubu body now know say they just go carry person come from abroad with frustration. Cause they call rule people. You know? Nah. Shebi na brave they said drug before. You never look history of a Tinubu. Everybody know history of Tinubu now. The thing they vex me. Now they see you, even when they carry come from abroad, make call rule people. When be say frustration, they worry. Now they keep people for Lekki Toge.
That's the bill. That's what me want. I saw that even Oshomole when they said Abriba before.
Oh, okay, you don't see the you don't see the story. You don't hear the story.
I don't. When they said Abriba before,
the person we don't know.
They carry
the person we don't know.
Enter
Labor Congress. Now that for start.
Come out for tell Abriba.
Now that for start.
Now they show themselves pass.
Now that for start.
They show themselves pass.
They cheat us. They go to wear carton shirts. They cheat us. They wear Kampala. When no good they get they cheat us. Whether they loot money. With their side chick, they go they loot money. God go punish all of una. All of una we carry Nigeria money buy houses for na girlfriend. God go punish all of una. All the house go sink. As when they kill people so. Now see. As when they kill people so, they kill innocent people. God go punish all of them. Let me
tell you guys something. They get one was it now youth now? A youth local chairman. Those na local government chairman. Where they call the guy for Delta State now where he has sink. We never see him.
Yeah, sink.
Yeah,
that body too many for there.
It just the guy. If you see in mansion, the place now just flood, just enter, just flood. See nature self, even the ground, the land of Nigeria, the verse. The land of Nigeria, the verse.
They never see anything. They never see anything.
They never see anything. All the politicians now.
They never see anything.
They come from
all of una.
Even the land don't understand. The Nigeria, the land don't understand.
Una girlfriend go dey kill una for hotel una carry dey go. Get where go reach. Una girlfriend go dey kill una for hotel una dey carry dey go.
Yeah, as Abasha do reach.
Mona dey look. As e be say
Abasha want reach. Why say?
Say we no be human being abi. Una girlfriend una say chick na go dey kill una. Una go dey see am.
Apart as Abasha want reach, I end. Only one happen. I close the eye now.
You see am?
Problem not day. Una day. Una day of record is now. It's not. You know they come. It's
all the things one they do.
All the even the land. The land of Nigeria won't understand.
Now they kill Nigeria youth. Una children they abroad.
The land of Nigeria.
They do shopping.
Won't understand. Won't put una leg. It a vest for una. You go vex. Nigerians don't be surprised oh. Say I to a couple for Sasso Rocco. One not surprised. One not lament oh. Even I say, oh, that one go vex me. The person we go just come out, you give us a breaking news. Aso Rock has been sink, earthquake. Or President Senator Nenemi so and so has been sink, earthquake. Will say, oh, anybody will say, oh, get problem with me. Iwa na mani. O mani a nine.
All of them, they get boys. If they need human being, they go cash on. All the senators, all our governors, they don't train boys. If they need human being, anything where they need, this is any kind of part need, they must provide them for now. Wicked people. Wicked.
Very wicked. How can you go and attack protesters?
Wicked.
Peaceful people.
And the verse say they go open gate for criminals. All those people when they come outside, now go shoot people. They come out where? All those people will come out, now God free them. For killing people in Lekki. Killing innocent people, but they do protest. They no carry gun. They no even go meet police or soldiers. They no worry them. Una they kill them. Una off lights for offing lights. For offing lights.
There's nothing the world
cutting the street lights.
And you that man way off light. Be like say you be NEPA. Now electric shock they go kill you.
Wetin me no understand? Why you two go they block? Wetin they put? Wait they no say people go fit do that video instantly.
Do live video, yeah.
They don't know. Immediately they know. Now
and see one idiot oh. What is they call am oh? Mwaga. When they follow the Twitter man they fight now. They follow Jack they fight. What is they call in name oh? Adamu. If they say he wants soon, never my people.
He say he wants to Twitter.
This guy will get Twitter, Jack. Wait, because they tweet, they repost Nigerians, they post, they repost all of them there. Because this idiot come out. He say Adamu, what if be Sunny? Una know Adamu.
Because they don't want to know the secrets.
Say he wants soon.
They don't want. They don't want.
Or give us some only.
They don't want. They don't want me the world. They see what they have for Nigeria. What
they have for Nigeria? They have for some anywhere. Adamu say he want go soon Jack. He say me go wait for him for court. Mona go Insta blog go read them. He did there.
They don't want to make the truth come out now. They don't want to make they see anything.
If you don't know Jack, the guy will get Twitter and all of us they use so the owner and the idiot I mean, he senior the even the guy. He senior now. Not be get Twitter so. Not be do legit because of say they thief Nigeria money. They see Nigeria money. They loot. They share with a fellow senator, president, and all of them. He come out. They say he wants soon the guy.
He pay me sha.
He wants soon the guy. He wants soon Jack. For electric, Nigeria has been protesting, disturbing property, disturbing enemy. They are between 20 and 30. He wants soon the guy.
Leave down.
Can you just imagine?
Leave down.
No, una fit just imagine that kind of shit.
Leave down one. Before they say make they block.
CNN
already carry on already because immediately when they're doing like when they show us, CNN already attach this thing. If they let me Facebook block and all over the world don't see what they do. All over the world don't see what they do.
My people.
So who like me go sweep for that go court? Who like
I
me
don't
go
even
sweep
know.
for that go court? Now
I don't even know how fit take close my eye today.
So
for me
be
personally, the way my state just dey now, for me to even fit close my eye and now sleep today, I need to go overeat. You know that part wey be say if you don't eat overfeed, they call dey worry you.
Very painful issue.
Now I don't know. I don't just know what I'll do because inside me dey hot. Excuse me.
Very
Inside me dey hot. I don't know what to say more. The most wicked people in the world, the most greedy, the most selfish, the most self-centered people in the world are Nigeria's leaders.
Yes, so they are inside Nigeria.
Nigeria's leader. Now they
are
create
Nigeria,
and they frustrate our youth, so they do different kind of law, different kind of crime. Now they frustrate our youth. This Adamu Iyama. This
Kaba, whether na Kaba, not be
you.
Adamu Kaba, something like that. Not be the man name.
You say you want go soon that Twitter man, that Jack, you want go soon. Which court want judge? Now what court? We Nigerians, we don't take una go what court safe. More go judge the case for courts. Adamu Gaba. Now you are the court so. Adamu Gaba with his big belly and his short head. You say you want sue somebody. You want sue Jack. The guy will get Twitter. He wants sue the guy for what?
All the money where they get for Nigeria,
for what reason?
Open one company or nothing. Where the people youth,
because the guy, you are just jealous because the guy is brilliant than you. He discovers something. He open a night they eat, night they eat, night they help people. You, what have you done? Only your nation alone. What have you contributed to Nigeria?
Now that one you they ask.
Ever since you are in that position that you are, my papa connection, my mama do me well. When they put you there, what have you done? How many lives have you touched? How many lives have you inspired? This guy will get Twitter, so he don't inspire me when they talk so. That guy don't sit down, use the brain, create something. Twitter, when people they use, is legit. Can you give account of how you make your money?
Just forget all
position where you there for Nigeria. What you they do? How many roads you don't repair? How many houses? How many people? What have you done? How many lives you don't change? How many lives you don't? What have you contributed to Nigeria as a society, as a country, as a nation? What have you contributed? All you people do is to loot money, thief, grab our money, use and buy car, travel around the world,
carry side chick.
You wait. What
misusing the money?
Which company don't open? People are doing business. People are making money from Twitter. People are doing things from Twitter. Lives have been changed from through Twitter. Business is going on through Twitter. You, what have you done?
No.
Which company you don't get for Nigeria? Wait, how many people you employ? How many people they work under you? Even the 15,000, 30,000 when they pay minimum wage. How many people have you been paid? Apart from
so painful.
Those useless bodyguards where they follow you.
Follow them.
Because you can't even live your life fully. You are afraid. That's why you can't. I can walk fully in anywhere. I feel come and go take breeze for
you nature.
Can you walk alone?
Nothing they pursue.
Can you walk alone?
Just take those people to collect money, paying them for nothing's sake.
Because you know your life. Because you know your life is at stake. All you not do not to eat, sleep, come out.
Nobody they pursue.
What did you do?
No.
Now if you go the meeting, how the country go take better? How the country go take go be say follow them go the meeting, go there so rock. Now sleep.
Now sleep they go to sleep now.
Even
for Senate,
they snore.
You know, see for Senate, they sleep for there because they don't get right speech too.
If you reach time to share money, they don't share them well. You see fight. That's why like begin they throw share, they fight, they disgrace the country.
Everything. Senate after when they don't sleep for night, they don't go sleep for club till day break. They can't call office. They can't sleep for Senate house. As all this house of rep, house of rock. For night they no dey sleep. When they go dey follow club, they go dey with girls, side chick, they fool themselves around. if they break they'll come
the time wey they'll take put their head together discuss about the country, discuss the betterment of the country, come up with idea, come up with the way forward.
Are they educated?
They'll go use am till they know till they
are not educated. They no go school. They just put them there. Godfather reason I put them there.
Yes,
they just put them there.
Wait till we even there they talk. How do we expect country that the leaders are illiterate? They are educated illiterates. That's all they are. None of them can boast of their results. They are all educated illiterate. How do we expect them to move
if
the
you
country?
Say may they speak English now, they know they fit address anything. Especially that Senate.
You want trouble? Say may our adults may they can't speak English.
No good English, correct English. We say Hausa or Igbo or Benin no smell for their English.
The only person
there is no
say,
straight English will come out from their mouth.
The only person I know say if he even speak.
No one.
No be say I dey
Yoruba wan speak.
No be say I dey praise am.
Yoruba must speak.
Na be Obaseki now no say yes. If he speak small, he go school small. For all the Nigeria government, politician, all of the way who want speak?
I beg you.
Who when he those ebo?
I said they go school. What did they know?
Yeah, where the boni as Nazekere.
Now me they
okay.
No
They right.
They carry their pikin. They carry and go abroad.
That is why they can do anything.
They carry Nigeria money to go to do
their children they school for outside country. That is why they can give anything.
You know how many governors
they can shoot Nigerians, kill our youth, just to make sure say their children dey America they school.
Yes. I beg my sister.
It's so painful. So painful.
You pay me, like, so anyone where they are alive, I thank God for you. But like, anyone where be say anything happen to me, take on like that, may family, may God encourage them. As I'll take put on because it they very sad. So
yeah, I understand.
They are so what you they try to. The ones where be say it get injury, I thank God for now.
I wish them quick recovering. They get well soon.
They are alive.
And for those ones that have lost their life, so you people are heroes.
So
una be hero. Una lost una life for Nigeria. You people are the representative. We will forever celebrate you guys. We will keep a day like this to celebrate you now. No, I'm not worried. Even as they celebrate Bob Marley all over the world, they celebrate this South Africa man, Mandela. Una be our Mandela. Una be our Bob Marley. We will celebrate all of una. We will bring a name. All of una name will be bring to book. Will be written in a place in Nigeria map. Una day there and forever people will be in our hearts. We love and appreciate you guys. We love and appreciate you all. Understand? So more I know I understand on our pain. Like it's here. It's hot in here.
Tomorrow.
They hot in here. So
in fact,
I will say you people, the host of heaven, let the angels, let Jesus receive you guys. Understand? Let Jesus. No, let Jesus, let the host of heaven receive you guys. 5 on 2 gate. They are still firing on Tollgate even as we speak right now. They are still shooting. You people all the Nigerian diaspora, you people should come online. Come online. Anybody where you know, they call people, more than they tag people. As the video they go on, they share them. Before those some YouTube they will start to the blog, the ones that they block on our blog sharing. Make everybody, make the world watch us. Make the world see what our leader they do to their own people. Not be country they fight. So now all Nigerians, now inside Nigeria, our leaders they key people. As we speak right now, there are still fire is still going on Tollgate in Lagos, Nigeria. Is still going on right now as we speak. So we want to say whichever way you can, please support, share the video, come online. Those of us that have the opportunity, who will get the 24 hours light, who they live in diaspora in Nigeria, outside Nigeria, more they online, more they share the video, more they tag people. Understand? May help come. I beg. We want a new Nigeria, and the time is now. Not this way that they do sort of make off here more enter us back. It not go happen. If we not change that change now, see after this one say we don't enter us, it no fit change again. No, the change no fit change again. If we don't enter us now because of the way that they shoot us now, you know, don't finish. The slave they go come over slave us, come override us. Tinubu know why they do. Tinubu know why they do all these things. They'll come override us
because he want come out for presidency. Let me come with the do all these
things. It not go work for him. No we know that one. It no work for him.
No problem.
But which country? We don't want, if you are less than 50 years, we don't need you to be president again. That
Tell them.
It will happen again. It's not possible. Any 50, 60, any 60, 70 years, come out as president again. Oh, love in Jesus' name.
You have said it.
So it won't happen again. So that one in a fair worthfully for this life wait die. So for the blood of Nigeria, is a murderer. Can a murderer be our president? Soon we need Jesus. It won't happen. Jesus will miss that call.
It's very good.
So please, whichever way you can support. We love you guys, and we keep bringing you the update. We'll keep you update. Keep subscribing to our platform. Come online whenever we see us online. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we are on live or whenever we post a new video. You will be notified. Share this video, please. Let it reach out. Let us reach out to the unreached. We can do it. We are Nigeria. We are strong. We are bold. We are courageous. We are intelligent. We are brilliant. We are peaceful. We are loved people. This is time for us to come as one. All those outside boys want to know where they're in the area. Want to see brainwash. They made them give the reason we don't take Jonah. Want to know say Buhari they enslaved them for all those areas where they dealt the north side. They enslaved. They not be with the do. Now the politicians they do. They keep them in that position where they did. I talked about it on my video yesterday, so you can go and watch it. I said a lot about it yesterday. And I think they put them for that position. Then they put the blame on us, not be we. So if you know anyone, people should keep reaching out to them. I will bring some more video, even where soldiers, soldiers say make them not fight, shoot against youth, make they join youth fight. Those soldiers, I believe, say those ones they're not there around. Maybe now those ones say they fight or their own war. If they're there, I believe that boy was, although he covered up himself, but we get the message. So not worry. Tomorrow we'll come on live and we'll bring on the more updates.
So my people,
we'll bring more video. So thank you so much.
We greet all of una. Una do well. Una to stay with us, to watch us, to listen to us, share the video, and we are still expecting more video to come out from tomorrow. So one love.
We'll keep you guys posted. We'll keep you updated.
Watch.
Keep watching Ibota TV.
Watch
Subscribe. Follow us on social media. For me, at Isoken for love. All I want is love and peace.
TV.
Watch Ibota TV. Keep watching. Keep liking. Keep sharing. Drop your comment. Send message. Our WhatsApp. Reach us through our WhatsApp. You understand? Our WhatsApp number are there. Reach out to us. If you get any update where you know you want us to talk about, please just send it to us. We are all 24 hours. We are here. We are working for you guys. This platform, now my own, on our own. You know, we are building together.